Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, mag-short update lang po ako dito sa SnapX and gusto ko lang kayong i-inform regarding sa upcoming competition dito sa SnapX. So yesterday, nagkaroon po sila ng update and yun nga guys, yung new update po nila is about the upcoming competition, which is, ito guys. So, para makita nyo po yung competition details, itap nyo lang po dito sa my application. Itap nyo lang po yung banner na yan, itong World Trading Grand Prix. So, dito nyo po makikita yung whole mechanics ng competition. And kung sa web terminal naman po kayo gumagamit guys, i-click nyo lang po itong competition and makikita nyo po yan dito. Alright guys, para mas ma-explain ko po sa inyo ng mas maayos at mas detailed, nag-prepare po ako sa inyo ng small presentation and dito ko po sa inyo i-discuss yung about sa details ng upcoming competition na to. Before with that guys, ma-appreciate ko po kung ilalike nyo na po yung video na to. And if you are new into this channel, consider subscribing po dahil nag-upload po ako ng mga pwede nating pagkakitaan like free load, free bitcoins, free PayPal money, and any types of extra online income. So, introduce ko muna sa inyo si SnapX sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. So, basically guys, SnapX is a cryptocurrency contract trading platform that gives you ability to trade in bullish and bearish markets. So, dito guys sa SnapX, you can leverage your margin or your trade up to 100 times leverage. And there will be a safety net at 90% margin. Then dito guys, low entry lang po dito guys. Yung minimum to trade dito is 5 USDT only per order. Take note guys ha, contract trading po ito. So kaya 5 USDT po yung minimum to trade. So ang maganda dito guys is 24/7 po dito. So you can trade anywhere and anytime. Isa sa nagustuhan kong key features dito sa SnapX is meron po silang combined real-time data from 4 largest crypto exchange. So meron silang real-time data sa Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi. So basically guys, this is a new form of earning money through crypto. And okay na okay itong trading app na to kasi contract trading po ito and you have the ability to take control of your profits. And to be honest guys, ang laki na rin po talaga ng kinita ko dito sa application na to. And this application really makes me a money if you have a right strategy to trade dito sa SnapX. Okay na okay itong SnapX in terms of cryptocurrency contract trading. Kasi dito guys, pwede ka mag-profit in both bull and bear markets. And since nag-trade ka po dito sa crypto, borderless po siya and available siya 24/7. So you can earn profits anytime, anywhere on this application. And dito rin guys, pwede rin kayo maka-earn ng Snap Points and pwede nyo pong magamit yan as transaction fee. So sa Snap Points naman guys, pwede nyo po yung ma-convert. So yung 10,000 Snap Points is equal to 100 USDT. So pwede nyo po yung i-convert. And the good thing dito guys, kung first time trader kayo or kung beginner pa lang kayo sa pag-trade, pwede nyo pong itry yung demo account dito. So meron pong demo account dito with 10,000 USDT na magagamit nyo to practice before kayo mag-start to trade in real account. So si SnapX po guys is available po siya to download both on Android and iOS device. So kung gusto nyong i-download to, yung link nandyan po sa my description. I-click nyo lang po yan to register your free account dito sa SnapX. Alright guys, so pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-execute ng trade dito. So first thing first is punta ka lang muna sa market. Then dito mamimili lang po kayo ng contract instrument nyo. So for example, gusto nyong mag-trade sa BTC USDT. So itap nyo lang po yan. So kung gusto nyo pong mag-execute ng trade nyo for buy or long, so itap nyo lang po yung green na button which is yung buy long. So dito guys, i-enter mo lang yung margin. Margin meaning yan po yung kung magkano yung amount na iti-trade nyo. So for example, yung iti-trade ko is 10 USDT. Then dito guys, mamimili kayo ng leverage nyo 10 times, 25 times, 50 times, or 100 times. So each leverage po is meron po siyang certain range of the stop loss and take profit. So pili lang kayo ng leverage nyo dyan. And then yung maganda dito guys is full control nyo po yung stop loss nyo and yung take profit nyo. So pwede nyo pong i-adjust yung take profit or yung stop loss nyo. And then kung ready ka na, itap nyo lang yung buy long na button dito sa my bottom right corner. So dito guys, make sure po na naka-disable yung hold overnight. Kasi kung hindi nyo po i-disable yan, once na ma-execute nyo po itong trade nyo is mapupunta lang po siya sa pending dahil naka-hold overnight nga siya. So make sure na naka-disable po yan. Then once you're ready, itap nyo lang po yung okay. So as you can see, success. Then pupunta na po siya dito sa my position. Alright guys, so SnapX will present the World Trading Grand Prix. So ito po yung largest crypto contract trading tournament in the world. So bali guys, 4 weeks long tournament po ito and it will start on August 9 up to September 5th, 2019. And yung prize pool po dito guys is 600,000 USDT. So yan po yung total na binudget ng SnapX for this competition. So no doubt guys na talagang legit po itong SnapX dahil sila po yung mag-host ng World Trading Grand Prix, which is ito po yung largest crypto contract trading tournament in the world. And naglabas sila dyan ng $600,000 for the prize pool. So yung mga mapapanalunan po dito ng mga first place winners are Porsche 911, Porsche Boxster, and yung Range Rover. Or kaya naman pwede po yung makash. So yung competition details guys, meron pong 3 categories dito. So yung first is yung individual using demo account. So dito po may 3 types of competition din. So yung first is Elite 10, Quick 9, and Turbocharger. And yung second category naman guys is yung individual using real account. So dito po may 3 types of competition din, which is Main Event, Super Rally, and Slingshot. And then, yung last category po is yung group using real account din. And dito, yung competition po will be a team event. Sa individual demo na competition guys, mag-i-start po yan sa August 9 and mag-e-end po siya sa August 22nd. Then yung sa individual reel and group reel po, mag-i-start po yan sa August 23rd and matatapos po yan sa September 5th. Alright, so explain ko po sa inyo yung competition details sa each categories. So dito muna tayo sa my individual demo. So dito po sa Elite 10 competition, yung top 10 users po na makaka-achieve ng highest return on equity at the end of this competition is makaka-receive po ng reward according dito sa my table. So yung first place po is makaka-receive po ng 5,000 USDT. Then sa second to the fifth naman po is 3,000 each po yan. Then from 6th to 10th place po will receive 3,000 USDT each. So dito guys, yung lahat po ng all existing users will be automatically registered po sa competition na to. And then yung users demo account po guys is mag-reset po yan sa 10,000 USDT once na nag-start na po yung competition. So for example, kung meron po kayong below 10,000 na ngayon, or let's say wala na po kayong balance sa may demo account nyo ngayon, so don't worry guys, mag-reset po yan at magkakaroon po kayo dyan ng 10,000 USDT balance pag nag-start na po yung competition. So take note guys, hindi nyo po mawi-withdraw yung fund nyo dito sa demo account. Okay? And then yung balance nyo po dito sa my demo account nyo, as is na po yan kahit matapos po yung competition. So for example, once na natapos yung competition, meron na lang po kayong 5,000. Hindi na po yan marireset sa initial balance nung before nag-start yung competition. Okay? So dito naman sa Quick 9 competition, yung first 1,000 users po na magkakaroon ng profitable trade on all cryptocurrency pairs available sa SnapX, which is ito po. Yan, dito nyo pumikita yan sa my market. So yan po yung contract instrument. So kapag ka nagkaroon po kayo dyan ng mga winning trades during the competition is automatic po guys, mananalo po kayo dyan ng 10 USDT prize reward. Alright, so kung pasok po kayo dyan sa first 1,000 users na magkakaroon ng profitable trade dyan sa lahat ng 9 cryptocurrency pairs is mananalo po kayo dyan ng 10 USDT reward. Okay? Dito naman sa Turbocharger, yung first 500 participants po na magdi-deposit USDT into their real account during the individual demo competition, makaka-receive po ng 10 times Snap Points bonus from the deposit amount up to a maximum of 1,000 Snap Points. So for example, kung magdi-deposit kayo dito ng 100 USDT sa SnapX wallet nyo, so times 10 po yan, yung marireceive nyo po is 1,000 Snap Points. Alright? So ito guys, applicable lang po ito sa deposit through transfer from external wallets or credit card. So hindi po ito applicable kung magdi-deposit po kayo through OTC. Okay? Alright, so dito naman sa category ng individual reel, dito sa main event competition is broken down po siya into two subcategories. So dito po sa my main event A, yung top 10 participants po na makaka-achieve ng highest amount of profit at the end of the competition is ito po yung marireceive, which is nandito sa my main event A table. Yung first place po is makaka-receive po ng 100,000 USDT or Porsche 911. Then yung second place po is 30,000 USDT, third place 10,000 USDT, fourth place 5,000 USDT, fifth place 3,000, sixth place 1,500, seventh place 1,200, eighth place 1,000 USDT, ninth place 800, and 10th place po is 500 USDT. And then sa my main event naman po is yung top 10 participants po na makaka-achieve ng highest ROI naman at the end of the competition is makaka-receive po yung first place, which is nandito po sa may kabilang table sa my right side. Yung first place po is 50,000 or Porsche Boxster, second place 15,000 USDT, third place makaka-receive ng 5,000, fourth place 2,500, fifth place 1,500, sixth place 750, and seventh place po 600, eighth place 500, ninth 400, and yung 10th place po is 250 USDT rewards. Alright, so all eligible users dito guys are automatically registered for both subcategories in the main event competition. Okay? So dito guys, yung scoring po dito sa my main event A is ika-calculate po yan yung pinaka-total ng naging profit mo po during the competition period. Then ganun din po sa my main event B, ika-calculate po yan according to the return on equity na ma-achieve throughout the competition. Okay? Alright, dito naman sa Super Rally competition, yung rules po dito is kapag meron kang highest profit rate percent in just a single order na na-open and close mo siya within 60 minutes or in less than 60 minutes, is makaka-receive po kayo dyan ng reward. So dito may 5 pong mananalo. Yung first place po is makaka-receive po ng 500 USDT, second 200 USDT, third 100, fourth 80, and yung fifth is 50 USDT. Take note guys, dito sa competition na to, you have the chance to win multiple prizes. So may chance po dito na pwede nyong makuha yung lahat ng reward na yan. Take note ulit guys, kapag kayong open position nyo or yung trade nyo po is nag-extend po yan beyond 60 minutes, or kung na-close nyo po siya more than 60 minutes, is hindi po yan counted. Okay? Alright, so dito naman sa slingshot competition, so ito po yung pinakagusto nating part, wherein mag-i-invite lang tayo, mag-i-refer lang tayo. Yung top 5 users po rito na may most users who completed KYC verification process on SnapX is makaka-receive po ng first place po is 500 USDT, second 200, third 100, fourth 80 USDT, and yung fifth po is 50 USDT. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito is mag-i-invite lang po kayo. And dapat guys, yung mga referrals nyo, dapat KYC verified po. Okay? And then take note ulit guys, any referrals that are added before the competition is hindi po yan siya counted. So, dapat guys, during the competition only. Okay? Okay, so yung last part ng category guys, which is itong group reel. Sa team event competition na to guys, yung top 10 teams po na makaka-achieve ng highest amount of profit throughout the competition will be awarded with the prizes in USDT according dito sa my table. So yung first place po na group is makaka-receive po na reward na 100,000 USDT or yung Range Rover. And then dito naman sa second to the fourth, yung prize reward po is 30,000 USDT. Then from 5th to the 10th place is 20,000 reward USDT. Okay? So dito guys sa team event competition, anybody can join. So pwede kayo mag-participate dito whether you want as a team leader or as a team member. Dito po sa team event competition, wala pong limit yung number ng teams and yung number ng members. So kahit ilang team po pwedeng sumali dito, and kahit ilang members pwede kang kumuha. Alright? So dito guys, kumbaga the more na mas marami kayong member, mas mataas po yung chance nyo dito na manalo sa team event competition na to. Alright guys, again sa buong competition po, any users who have completed the KYC verification process for their SnapX accounts are eligible to participate on all competition. Okay? Then, yung competition guys is 100% free po. Wala po kayong babayaran dito any single of amount. Free lang po siya guys, pwede kayong mag-participate dito. So, para matrack nyo pala yung performance and yung ranking, so ipopost po yung leaderboard sa may main tournament page ng users para matrack po ng mga users yung mga rankings and performance nila. So, bali po yung leaderboard will be updated po yan daily. So just in case na if you are one of the winners in any competition dito sa SnapX, within 14 working days po madi-deliver yung prizes nyo. So prizes in USDT will be transferred directly to the winner's SnapX wallet after a successful verification of identity. Alright, so yun lang guys yung information about sa upcoming competition dito sa SnapX. Pwede nyo namang i-check yan sa mga application nyo or kaya naman pwede nyo rin i-check yan sa mismong website. Alright guys, so yun lang muna yung video ko about dito sa upcoming tournament. So abangan na lang natin sa August 9 kung kailan mag-i-start. So may time pa tayo para makapag-practice or sunugin yung mga demo account natin. Well, anyways, marireset naman po yan as soon as na mag-start na po yung competition. Alright? So guys, ito po yung result ng mga nanalo sa 2,000 pesos giveaway natin from my last video.